See, it's raining right now here. Saudi Arabia. Look at the sky. It's very, very dark. See, it's the sky. I can't open the door. There's lock and I don't know where's the key. So I'll just do a video here. Here's the window. See? Yes, see the floor. It's all now water. I am at the rooftop. So don't wonder why there's so many machines here. See? That's all the buildings there. Okay, as you can see it. See. Well, I'm here at Almaroj Real. That's all. Oh, yes. It's raining. See the sky. That's the sky. See the This is the first time this year that it rains hard like this. Usually it's just like, just a big shower and gone. Now it's big long. Yes, it's pouring. See? As you can hear. Look at the sky. It's the sky over KSA Riyadh in particular.